Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you the basics of Character Animator and how to create a functional character to put in the program. Once Character Animator has opened, go to the Start page. Click on the See More button on the top right of the examples. It will then bring up the website and show you a few other optional puppets. Scroll to the bottom and shows the blank template. Once it was done downloading, I opened the file into Adobe Illustrator because I personally prefer that over Photoshop. As you can see, there are already preset layers for each feature of the face. I started out with creating a face background. To do that, click on the desired layer and create your shape. Alright, I'm going to zoom in on the layer so that I can explain to you first how the layers work and what I'll be doing. For the right eye, which is your character's right, not yours, there are 3 layers: right blink, right pupil, and right eyeball. As you can see, there is a plus sign in front of the right pupil. This means that this feature moves independently. Same with the right and left eyebrows. I then started off creating my eyes. Throughout this process, I didn't do a very good job of demonstrating how the layers work. To make things a little easier and less confusing when creating your character, try clicking on the layer of the feature you are creating. This way, your workspace will be organized and you won't have to worry about objects being in the wrong places. Once I was done creating the pupil and the iris, I selected both, right-clicked, and then made them into a group. I then labeled the layer right pupil with a plus sign in front of it so that they can both move together. Next, I created the right blink. For that, I just put a straight line across my eye. When I was done, I right-clicked on the little gray eye on the left side of the layer so that the line would not be visible when I was creating the rest of my character. I went ahead and continued creating the rest of my character on my own. However, I did want to show you what I did for each layer of the mouth. I first went online and searched up a mouth shape. I went to images and used this image as an example of specific mouth shapes. I did this because when my character talks, the mouth would mimic the exact mouth shape to the word it's saying. I tried my best to replicate all the mouth shapes. Once I was done, I saved my project. I then brought up Character Animator, went to New Project, added my title, and hit Save. There are other ways to bring up your character into the project, however for this tutorial I just dragged and placed my character in. When my character or puppet was done loading, I dragged it one last time to the stage. If your computer has a camera, your character should be able to mimic your actions, as you can see it is mimicking me right now. Another thing you can do on here is to add your own audio and sync it to your character. To do that, I uploaded a piece of audio from the movie Clueless, just because her voice is really clear. Once your audio is uploaded, select your audio and your character and go to the top and hit Timeline, and then go to Compute Lip Sync. Take from Scene Audio. If the lip sync isn't perfect or isn't how you want it, you can zoom in on the timeline and you will see letters. These letters represent the mouth shape. If you right click on one of the letters, you will be able to change it. Here is my final project. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something new.
So, okay, the Attorney General says there's too much violence on TV and that should stop. But even if you took out all the violent shows, you could still see the news. And so until mankind is peaceful enough not to have violence on the news, there's no point in taking out of shows that need it for entertainment value. Thank you.